the wide-eyed, the hopeful, the princesses and the princes. Their believer, let's summon the generals, the queens, the kings, and the knights that ride the adventurous trails. Let's call on the leaders, the lover, the big ones, the small ones, the shakers. Let's call on the curious and bring on the hope. Life starts here.